Many doctors' wives share a secret that almost sounds too simple to be true. It starts with something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now: coconut oil. Imagine gently rubbing a small amount on your skin and watching subtle magic unfold within minutes. What seems like an ordinary cooking ingredient turns out to hold extraordinary benefits that go far beyond the kitchen. For years, women close to natural health experts have quietly relied on this pure, natural oil for comfort, balance, and rejuvenation, especially in ways most people never talk about openly. You won't see it advertised on television or hear it in your doctor's office, but its hidden potential has been transforming women's well-being from the inside out. In this video, we'll uncover the little-known truth about coconut oil, how one simple habit can bring relief, nourishment, and natural healing in ways science is only beginning to recognize. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could completely change how you look at this everyday oil forever. For generations, coconut oil has been seen as a kitchen staple, something you cook with use for your hair or apply on dry elbows. But behind its simplicity lies one of nature's most powerful natural protectors. The secret lies in lauric acid, a fatty acid that gives coconut oil its antimicrobial strength. When absorbed by the body, lauric acid transforms into monolaurin, a compound shown in studies to fight harmful bacteria, fungi, and even certain viruses. In simpler words, it works like a natural defense shield. This is one reason many women, especially those familiar with holistic healing, use coconut oil to support their intimate health. It helps soothe dryness, reduce irritation, and keep the natural balance of good bacteria, without chemicals, fragrances, or harsh preservatives. While mainstream medicine rarely mentions this, countless women quietly rely on coconut oil for comfort and daily protection. Think about it. What other product can moisturize, heal, and protect, all while being completely natural and safe to use? Commercial products often claim instant relief, but many come with side effects. Synthetic lubricants and creams can cause more irritation or upset your body's delicate pH balance. Coconut oil, on the other hand, works gently and in harmony with your body. It doesn't mask symptoms, it helps restore natural balance. And this is what makes it truly special. The wives of many natural doctors discovered this through experience, noticing that regular use of coconut oil helped maintain softness, hydration, and a sense of overall well-being. The benefits go beyond moisture. Coconut oil's antibacterial and antifungal qualities make it an excellent ally against discomforts caused by overgrowth of yeast or bacteria. For instance, yeast infections, often caused by a fungus called Candida albicans, are one of the most common issues women face. While medications and antifungal creams exist, they often bring side effects like burning or dryness. Coconut oil can be a soothing alternative. Its fatty acids weaken the outer layer of fungal cells, stopping their growth naturally. Meanwhile, its moisturizing texture calms itching and irritation. Women who try this method often notice a difference within a day or two, as the soothing layer of oil provides both relief and protection. So, to use coconut oil safely, the key is purity. Always choose organic, virgin, or cold-pressed coconut oil. This form is unrefined and free from chemicals or additives that can irritate sensitive areas. Before applying, it's best to clean the area gently with mild soap and water, then pat dry with a soft towel. Warm a small amount of coconut oil between your palms until it melts and turns silky. Then, apply it directly to the area that feels dry or uncomfortable. Let it sit for a few minutes and absorb naturally. You can do this once or twice a day, especially after bathing or before bedtime. So, if you're using it as a natural lubricant, just make sure it's for external use only. And, remember, never combine it with latex condoms, since oils can actually break down latex. Instead, you'll want to use non-latex options if needed. Beyond soothing irritation, coconut oil actually helps with long-term care too. With regular use, it maintains moisture, protects your skin's natural barrier, and helps prevent recurring dryness or imbalance. During hormonal changes, like menopause or after childbirth, many women experience vaginal dryness because of lower estrogen levels. Coconut oil provides gentle hydration without any synthetic hormones or chemicals. It absorbs easily, forming a soft protective film that locks in moisture and encourages healing. Its cooling sensation brings instant comfort, making it a wonderful natural alternative to commercial lubricants that, honestly, can dry out pretty quickly. Coconut oil's benefits also extend to emotional comfort. Many women report feeling more confident and connected to their body after adopting this simple self-care routine. It's not just about physical relief, it's about feeling nurtured and supported by something natural and pure. When applied regularly, coconut oil can become a part of your self-care ritual, like using a gentle face cream or body moisturizer. It encourages mindfulness and respect for your own well-being. And unlike complicated treatments, this one costs almost nothing, is easy to find, and takes only seconds to use. While coconut oil is safe for most people, always listen to your body. If you ever notice irritation or redness, stop using it and consult your healthcare provider. Everyone's skin and body chemistry are different, so what works wonders for one person might not suit another. Still, for most women, coconut oil offers a refreshing alternative to synthetic products, a reminder that nature already holds many of the answers we're searching for in expensive jars and prescriptions. Now let's go even deeper into how this humble oil truly works its magic. Coconut oil's benefits go far beyond simple moisturizing. It's a complete natural system for maintaining a healthy and balanced intimate environment. Inside your body, millions of beneficial bacteria live in harmony to protect you from infections and keep your pH in balance. However, stress, antibiotics, hormonal changes, or even diet can disrupt this harmony, leading to discomfort, dryness, or unwanted infections. This is where coconut oil steps in as nature's gentle restorer. Its lauric acid compound not only helps reduce harmful microorganisms, but also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria, helping your body find its natural equilibrium again. It's not a quick fix. It's a slow, nurturing ally that works with your body rather than against it. That's why so many women, especially those connected to natural medicine, have quietly made coconut oil part of their everyday self-care ritual. If you've ever felt uncomfortable using chemical-based products that promise instant relief but leave behind irritation or a burning sensation, you'll immediately notice the difference with coconut oil. Its texture is smooth, soothing, and naturally cooling, bringing instant comfort while helping the body heal. For vaginal dryness, which often becomes more common after menopause or childbirth, coconut oil works by deeply hydrating the skin and sealing in moisture. Unlike water-based lubricants that dry out quickly, coconut oil lingers, keeping the skin supple for hours. And since it's completely free of artificial ingredients, fragrances, and alcohol, it doesn't disturb your body's natural pH. Instead, it nourishes and repairs. The more consistently you use it, the healthier your skin becomes over time. Beyond hydration, there's another remarkable advantage. Coconut oil protects. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties form a defensive barrier, making it harder for harmful organisms to grow. This makes it especially useful for women who often deal with recurring yeast infections. When applied regularly, it reduces inflammation and prevents the overgrowth of yeast like Candida albicans. By keeping the delicate skin soft and balanced, coconut oil helps prevent the small tears or dryness that can make infections more likely. In essence, it creates a protective, nurturing layer that allows your skin to breathe while guarding against irritation. And unlike many commercial antifungal creams that can strip away moisture, coconut oil gives you both protection and comfort at the same time. Another reason coconut oil is so loved by natural health advocates is its versatility. It's not just an intimate moisturizer, it's an all-in-one wellness tool. A spoonful in your morning smoothie can boost healthy fats and support energy levels. A small dab after shaving can calm and heal irritation. Applied before bed, it can soothe sensitive skin and keep you feeling refreshed. Some even use it as a post-bath moisturizer for the whole body, allowing the oil to lock in hydration naturally. And since it's safe enough to eat, your skin absorbs only clean, nourishing ingredients, nothing synthetic or harmful. It's a rare product that you can trust both inside and out. For best results, start by choosing cold-pressed organic virgin coconut oil. It should have a light, natural coconut scent and a creamy white color when solid. Avoid anything labeled as refined, hydrogenated, or deodorized. These have been stripped of their healing properties. Once you've chosen the right oil, you'll want to warm a small amount in your palms until it melts. Then, just gently apply it to the external area that needs moisture or soothing. You can do this after your nightly shower, before bed, or really any time you feel dryness or irritation. Regular use not only hydrates, but also helps prevent recurring discomfort. Many women find that within a few days, their skin feels softer, smoother, and just more comfortable. Still, it's important to remember that every body is unique. If you ever notice redness, increased irritation, or discomfort, it may mean your skin is sensitive to coconut products, or there could be another underlying cause that needs medical attention. If symptoms persist beyond a few days, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional. For most people, though, coconut oil is extremely gentle and well tolerated, which is why it's become such a trusted favorite among women of all ages. Using coconut oil also brings a sense of empowerment. It's a simple act of self-care that connects you back to nature's rhythm. Instead of relying on chemical solutions, you're nurturing your body with something pure and natural, something that works in harmony with your biology. This small daily ritual can become a soothing, comforting practice that not only benefits your physical health, but also enhances your emotional well-being. You start to feel more confident, more connected to yourself, and more comfortable in your own skin. In a world filled with synthetic products and complicated treatments, coconut oil stands as a gentle reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Whether you're struggling with dryness, irritation, or just want to maintain your intimate health naturally, this little jar of oil offers everything your body needs: moisture, protection, and balance. So, next time you see that jar in your kitchen, remember, it's not just for cooking. It's a secret that women around the world, including the wives of doctors, have relied on for generations to keep themselves healthy, confident, and naturally radiant. And now that you know the truth, it's time to experience it for yourself. Rub a little coconut oil, wait a few minutes, and watch how nature unfolds its quiet, powerful magic.